Hello, ladies and gentlemen. You are welcome to the third session on the discussion of the topic structural assessment. This is Contact Consult and Electrical Works. We are a consultancy and construction firm. We specialize in architecture design, engineering design, electrical works, construction, repair works, etc. etc. During the second section, procedures required for structural assessment were discussed. The main agenda for this session is to discuss the tests conducted during structural assessment. However, I would like to take this opportunity to talk briefly about geotechnical investigation, which is crucial in structural assessment. Geotechnical investigation is carried out by the geotechnical engineer. This seeks to establish the condition on which the foundation of the structure is founded and recommend solution required for the ground or foundation works. Back to the subject of the day. Two types of tests are carried out during structural assessment, namely destructive and non-destructive tests. Destructive test is done by breaking or cutting part of the structural element under consideration for testing. Example, coring sample of concrete to the laboratory for strength test, or chiseling concrete to expose rebar for investigation. Yield test, toughness test, tensile test, fatigue test are all examples of destructive tests. In this video, selected slab is being called by our team. Selected beams and columns were also called. The samples were labeled and taken to a laboratory for testing. Non-destructive test. This method of testing does not require taking or cutting parts of structural elements for testing. The result is obtained instantaneously or in situ. Example of which is Smith-Hammond or Raybound test, ultrapulse velocity test, rebar location test, X-ray detection, ultrasonic testing, visual testing. In this video and picture, Smith-Hammond test or Raybound test is being conducted to ascertain the strength of the column, whilst in the picture, rebar location is being done to detect reinforcement and also measure the concrete cover. Of the two, destructive test gives the most accurate results, whilst the non-destructive test gives an approximate results. Thank you for watching and listening. I'll come your way once again with the fourth session, showing you an example of results from destructive and non-destructive tests on the same project.